forest, and we're gonna go fishing at the Spillway and do some fishing in the lake. It's gonna rain in a couple hours, so we're gonna squeeze in some fishing before it starts to rain. So we'll see you when we get there.
So in addition to it's about to rain today, it also rained last night and the whole day before. And this is our road. And I don't think my car can swim. So I think we're gonna have to turn around and go a different spot, see where we can find fishing, huh? What do you think?
Probably.
I don't think we're swimming over there.
Yeah, you can't even see the end. I mean, you can, but it curves, so I have no idea.
Yeah, it's flooded.
I'm
Alright,
gonna look on Google Maps.
let's go find a different spot.
Okay, instead of going to the dam and the boat ramp, the dam and the spillway, we are going to the boat ramp instead. There's the lake.
We might be able to fish a little bit in there.
Yeah, we can try.
I have caught catfish before right in that area.
Okay, then we're definitely fishing here.
Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's walk.
Yep.
So not sure how high the water is here. We'll see if we can even be casting out. Yeah. There's something in the water over there, Logan. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, come cast this way.
Oh, I'm just looking. Oh yeah. It gets deeper.
It's a nice area. So Logan is over there casting. And I'm trying this side. I'm trying a bobber. But we'll see. Cast a couple of times so far, no luck.
No, I don't see anything.
Yeah, something was playing with the bobber. Maybe it took the worm.
Yeah, the worm's gone.
Yeah.
They're here. Okay, so we caught a little bluegill, and we're using it as bait. On this rod, the heavier rod down here, that one has most of the bluegill on it. This has the tail. My friend made this for me.
Yeah, his
And
friend
we're
made
gonna
the
catch some
lure.
catfish.
Let's give it a shot. Okay, so we're in a tight spot near the dam, and I tried to cast, and here is my bait. Man, that's okay. New setup. See if we get any luck. So slowly we are making our way on the other side of the spillway and the dam. We found a roundabout way to get there. So we haven't had much luck besides that one small bluegill. But it's a nice day. And maybe we'll catch something down. Well, it's definitely a lot of water in here because it looks like the place where we usually sit with the chairs is completely underwater. But yeah, we'll cast in here and see if there is anything. But it's definitely high water. All right, Logan got he got a small bluegill in the spillway. Logan has had a few bites, but I'm gonna try this now. We'll throw it in here and see if anything comes. I'm basically right in the middle semi-live fish, although looks like maybe swam somewhere. Okay, that may have been too big, so I cut the fishing kind of in half. We'll see if this produces better results. But it looks like Logan is getting bites down there.
It's not that big. But
Logan got a fish.
Look how that is.
Decent sized bluegill for here.
That was so hard to pull and it felt like a monster.
Nice, Logan.
It felt massive. It felt like 20 pounds. I mean, the fish felt huge. Look how tiny it is.
Yeah, let it go. All right.
Alright, I know where the fish is.
Logan's got a bite. Logan's got a bite. Man, he's a pro with his bluegill here. So I've been trying this little fish here, but haven't had any luck. I think it's way too muddy in the water here. So I'll try something that's maybe making more noise. Alright, I'm gonna try this guy now. I think he'll make more noise inside and it'll shine. Maybe easier to see. I keep trying different stuff and Logan keeps catching fish. He's got another one. I still haven't gotten any. Yeah, that fish survived back in the water. We switched to a different bobber, and that one is working much better. It's not sinking in. There's a little turtle here that came to visit us.
I don't know what kind it is.
It's right in there. We started here. I think we're ending here. We're about done. That's the last of the worms Logan has. One last cast. And that will be it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you enjoy fishing, Logan?
Uh-huh.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.